Ivano-Frankivsk is a city of positive trends and initiatives, cultural, social, educational and business. Such an atmosphere is possible thanks to the not indifferent residents, activists and the common work of local enterprises. They have already created the first social restaurant in Ukraine, Urban Space 100, and started the platform Teple Misto. Today, their efforts are directed to the revitalization of the Promprylad factory. In Soviet times, it was an embodiment of innovations, but nowadays Promprylad has lost its capacity and needs reinterpretation. By design, 36,000 square meters of premises and almost 2 hectares of territory will become a platform for the development of business, urbanity, art and economics.
Promprylad is a big innovative center which organically unites art, education, urban and economical development. This model is really unique because it helps to reload the cities from post-Soviet Union context to modern ones.
I want to invest in the future of the Ukraine, and here it's the spot where you can do that. And I think this is interesting. This offer is not just to the big investors, but it's to everybody in Ukraine and maybe beyond. And I will be part of that for sure.
There's so much space you can create and that will influence the life of the city immediately.
This is also a civic project, and to create some combination of the civic and the economic together is really fantastic in my view.
By investing here, you can really be a pioneer and a change maker for an entire region.
Invest to Promprylad, be a part of big changes.